Even tow trucks are supposed to go onto a scale. And normally they just tell us to go. And that took, other than waiting in line, 2 minutes tops. Well, according to the video, because I turned the camera on when I got towards the scale, so we'll say a minute. And out we go.